Whoa. Greetings and welcome. My name is Jake Rayson. I am a forest gardener and a forest garden designer. And sorry for a bit of the long pause. The computer wasn't playing ball. This is just a little announcement, nothing major. I am going to start creating a new forest garden course. I had some really good feedback from Francesca at the Wildlife Trust, the Birmingham and Black Country Wildlife Trust. I ran a couple of courses, one day workshops with them, and she was saying you really need to break up the course from the introduction to principles of forest gardening and the design side of it. So they're kind of two separate things. And I think she's right. I'm trying to cram everything into one day, and I'd actually like to spend the time doing the design and doing it justice as well. And I'm going to be aiming this at forest gardeners. So my whole kind of take is this world needs more forest gardeners, and it's going to be aimed at people who want to do that as that's what they want to do as a garden designer. They want to do forest gardens. So I'm doing a lot of work at the moment. I'll be doing a live stream in a little while about the clifftop garden that I'm doing as an example. And this is about, there's not a nod to ornamental gardening, because it's actually, the actual design of the garden is kind of integral to how the garden functions as a refuge, and as a refuge for people and a refuge for wildlife. And but it's kind of incorporating them. And I think you need to have like a perspective from a forest garden perspective. You kind of get an idea about gardens, because gardens really are kind of places for people. It's kind of people space. It's not purely kind of productive, edible. It's only about the edible and what you can grow and what you can't grow. Otherwise, you might as well have like an empty field kind of thing. I think so. It's agroforestry on one side and it's forest gardening on the other side. And I'm firmly in the camp that I just think we need to kind of integrate and kind of have various different strains of forest gardening for different situations and different cultures and different temperate zones, ecological niches, and all sorts of different things. So there's massive scope. So yeah, this is what I'm kind of interested in doing. So I will be doing this kind of starting off the forest garden course. And I gave a real-time workshop the first Monday of every month, 7 till 9. I do a free beginners workshop. And same thing really. I just was going at 150 miles an hour, talking about the different aspects of design. And I ran out of time talking about the CAD stuff, and I just couldn't deal with it. It was just like like a 1 hour lecture. But anyway, so there will be, on the courses page, my NatureWorks courses page, there will be a forest garden CAD design course. And what I will be doing is to go, I'll be using CAD, QCAD. If you want to have a look, you can download it. It's a bit of a pain. CAD is brilliant. If you do more than one design, it's worthwhile learning. If you're doing like lots of design, I'd say learn it. If you're doing your own garden, I say no, it's a lot of work. Depends if you're ever going to use it again. Like any skill, then do learn it. But it's not essential for for creating a forest garden by from yourself and designing it. So that's qcad.org. The other one is come on, clickety click, is LibreCAD, and just to give you options really. That I won't be using LibreCAD in the workshop. I'll be using QCAD because it's like any bit of software. I've got to know the shortcuts and how it all fits. How it fits together in a very kind of rudimentary way, rudimentary enough to be able to do designs. So yay, that's very, very exciting. Have I got anything else left to show? Oh yes, this is the clifftop garden design. So this is a PDF that I'm print out for the PDF, and it is amazing because I'm not amazing, but I love it. I absolutely love it. It's such a nice design. And I'm not just saying that, because I've done it, but it is. I really love it. I'm really looking forward to making it. Anyway, so I went on site today and I've done it. And this is I was gifted an A3 printer from a friend a few years ago, and it's still going, and it's just brilliant for taking out the plans on designs out on site. So got a clipboard and everything. How geeky sad am I? Anyway, yes, so I shall be doing that. So watch your space, Forest Garden CAD course. I will be kind of start putting it together bit by bit. Not terribly sure when I'll find the time to do it because I've got the garden to do as well. But that's my next kind of. I think that'd be my next project. Okay, cheers for watching, and see you again soon. Cheers, bye.